Welcome to the final video in our Open Fender System installation guide series for the 2016 through 2018 Chevy HD. In this video, we will be going through how to install the fender flares onto the base fender. Our goal is to provide this comprehensive instruction in manageable chapters and steps so that an individual will feel comfortable during the process. This is not a replacement for the professional skills and experience required. Disclaimer: all liability for installation and use rests with the owner of the vehicle. Careless installation and operation can result in serious injury or equipment damage, and for professional installation only. Chapter 9, Step 1. Installing the front fender flares. We will begin by installing the seal onto the mounting edge of all of the flares. Next, insert the provided 5/16 inch hardware through the slots in the fender flare mounting spots and fasten into the weld nuts. Tighten all of the mounting locations with a ratchet. Next, apply the exact same process to the rear fender flare and mount it into position. Complete this process for both the passenger and driver side of the vehicle. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a brand new Fab Fours Open Fender System. We hope that you have completed each step in the process and have thoroughly followed each chapter. Thank you for choosing the Fab Fours Open Fender System.